Hello, Persnickety friends! Today I'm going to show you how you can use these adorable Studio Calico cards right online without having to understand Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to import the cards to persnicketyprints.com so that we can get started. So first you're going to download these free cards, unzip them, and then simply upload them to your Persnickety Prints account. Now remember, you can simply just drag and drop an entire folder into your account and they will upload very quickly, as you can see. Okay, so now that we have those uploaded, now I'm going to go and find the project I want to create. So here is a 12 by 12 memory page. I'm going to click the memory page I want and then get started. Here's how you design a page with the cards. There are my cards right there in that album, and all I'm going to do is simply scroll down, find the card I want, and drag and drop it into the photo placeholder. Super easy. This is exactly what you will do with your photos as well. And that's how quickly you can create a full 12 by 12 digital page in the Persnickety Prints memory page software. All right, another great feature is adding text, changing fonts and colors anywhere on your page. This is for desktop only for now. And here you're going to just tap somewhere on your page and then you'll see the green add an empty text box on the bottom left. Now I would recommend keeping your font size about a 12 to no more than a 16 for a 12 by 12 layout. It'll be definitely legible, but not too big. Here I'm changing the color of my font, and then I'm going to tap again on my page, the bottom right hand side, so that add empty text box comes up again. And I'm going to add more journaling over this card. And here you can just tell your story and you can repeat as many layers as you'd like on your layout. Hope you love this tutorial, and we can't wait to see what you create with your Persnickety memory pages and these awesome free cards from Studio Calico. Thanks for watching.